Hi guys, my name is Koadian. I studying at UKG Daisy Baby School. This is an apple. It is red in color. It is crunchy fruit. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Thank you. Bright morning to all. My name is Lakshana. I am studying in UKG Daisy of Private School. A fire engine is a big red vehicle. It carries firefighters and water. It helps us to emergency put out fire. It has a loud siren to clear the road. It helps people and save lives. Thank you. Hi, my dear Asya. I am studying in UKG Daisy. Bright at school. Pomegranate is healthy food. It is red in color. It is sweet and tasty. You eat it. It gives vitamins and minerals. Thank you. Samyukta study is UKG Daisy or Bright Bud School. A cherry is a small, round and red fruit. It is juicy and delicious. Goa cherry cheese. Hi, my name is Kritik. I'm studying in UKG Daisy section of Bright Bud School. Ladybug is a small red insect with black spots, eating harmful insect and plants to growth. 6 legs and 2 wings. Thank you.